Perhaps next we move on to... Oops, sorry. Nope, not you, Fazil. Travis, GrowthX Academy. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're a Silicon Valley-based accelerator, growth marketing accelerator. So we basically help SMEs and corporates. We apply the concepts from Silicon Valley, and we help your business grow. So we can, help you in terms of your growth marketing. We give trainings on growth marketing, trainings on UX design, also trainings on things like, let's say, Facebook marketing. We also adapt a lot of things from the Silicon Valley and to apply into the Malaysian context. So we're all trained in Silicon Valley, and we have a mix of trainers from the US and from Malaysia. So our focus is helping you grow your business and company much quicker through courses and academies. We also have free talks, since we mentioned free stuff, right? Free talks almost every Friday on marketing, on user experience design, and that's GrowthX.
That's GrowthX for you. I mean, a really shout out to all those SMEs over there to my right, celebrity products. Jauh sana tak dengar kot. I mean, seriously, you guys do not need to purchase tickets all the way to San Francisco. Just go to their office and Jalan to Ismail, next to the well, right?
Yes,
yeah,
that's
next
right.
to the well, you get a Silicon Valley syllabus. How to do product market fit, how to grow your products, in a way that you can penetrate bigger market. SBF, Fazil Ismail's daging hitam contohnya, how do you penetrate Denmark with your daging hitam? How to do the right packaging, the right marketing. So these guys are here with Silicon Valley based syllabus. Tak payah pergi jauh-jauh, dah ada dah.